Internal Medicine. Advances in Oncology, 2024, Volume 4:1, Advances, Volume 4:1. APLS, the Pediatric Emergency Medicine Resource, the Pediatric Emergency Medicine Resource. The Drama of Being a Child, the Search for the True Self. Pathophysiology, a Practical Approach, a Practical Approach. Mosby's Dictionary of Medicine, Nursing and Health Professions. The Surgical Review, an integrated basic and clinical science study guide. Washington Manual Nephrology Subspecialty Consult. The Washington Manual Subspecialty Consult Series. CIC Exam Flashcard Study System. Practice test questions and review for the CBIC Certified in Infection Control Examination. The ECG Criteria Book. Nursing Diagnosis, Application to Clinical Practice. Pediatric Orthopedics and Sports Injuries, a Quick Reference Guide. Family Medicine Pretest Self-Assessment and Review, 4th edition. The Politically Incorrect Guide to Pandemics, the Politically Incorrect Guides. Facial Pain, a 21st Century Guide, for people with trigeminal neuropathic pain. Nelson Essentials of Pediatrics. CDA Exam Practice Questions. DANB Practice Tests and Review for the Certified Dental Assistant Examination. CHPN Exam Secrets Study Guide. Unofficial CHPN Test Review for the Certified Hospice and Palliative Nurse Examination. The Business of Dermatology. Every Patient Tells a Story. Basic Medical Language with Flashcards. Biopsy Interpretation of the Head and Neck, Biopsy Interpretation Series. The Notebook, Note-Taking for Every Class, Lab_Sim, and Clinical, Nurse Think for Students. Global Health 101, Essential Public Health. Lippincott's Illustrated Q&A Review of Rubens Pathology, 2nd edition. Textbook of Clinical Pediatrics, 6-volume set. Understanding Medical Education, Evidence, Theory, and Practice. Moss and Adams Heart Disease in Infants, Children, and Adolescents, including the Fetus and Young Adult, Volume 1. Intervention and Reflection, Basic Issues in Bioethics. A Practical Guide to Dermoscopy. Infections and Inequalities, The Modern Plagues, updated with a new preface. Kumar and Clark's Clinical Medicine. Athletic Training Exam Flashcard Study System. NATA Test Practice Questions and Review for the National Athletic Trainers Association Board of Certification Exam. Tintinelli's Emergency Medicine Examination and Board Review. The McGraw-Hill Specialty Board Review. Maternal Fetal and Obstetric Evidence-Based Guidelines. 2-volume set. 4th edition. Series in Maternal Fetal Medicine. Birthing Justice. Acing the Hepatology Questions on the GI Board Exam, the ultimate crunch time resource. The First Interview. Gut Feelings Disorders of Gut-Brain Interaction and the Patient-Doctor Relationship. A Guide for Patients and Doctors. Hadjicha's Textbook of Regional Anesthesia and Acute Pain Management, 2nd edition. TSRA Decision Algorithms in Cardiothoracic Surgery. Introduction to Epidemiology. NCTRC Exam Secrets Study Guide, Review and NCTRC Practice Test for the National Council for Therapeutic Recreation Certification Exam, 2nd edition. Mometrics Test Preparation. A Beginner's Guide to Evidence-Based Practice in Health and Social Care, 2nd edition. Braunwald's Heart Disease Review and Assessment, a companion to Braunwald's Heart Disease. Essential Skills for a Medical Teacher, an Introduction to Teaching and Learning in Medicine.